Is 1 million ringgit enough today to retire at 60 in Malaysia? Well, the answer depends on how much you are spending each year, every month after your retirement, and whether you will spend more every single year compared to the previous year because of inflation. And when I say that, I not only refer to statistical inflation, but your personal inflation as well. And the rest of your retirement fund after withdrawal, how much it is still earning interest or generating return after you withdraw X amount to spend for your retirement each and every year, right? Or it is just like sitting there generating 2%, 3% per year. So with all this information intact, then really I could really answer you like, is 1 million enough to retire in Malaysia or not at 60? And the easiest way is that you can use this AI power retirement advisor tool or calculator, if you want to call it that way, to get answers with just a few taps of your finger. Right? Now, if you keep this like 1 million ringgit fixed as a starting retirement fund at 60, and then you enter different withdrawal amount or post-retirement spending, how much you withdraw from your retirement fund every year, and you can even play around with different inflation rates. The tool will automatically help you to plan ahead. So the retirement AI powered retirement tool works exactly as good as it can be in terms of telling you the answers that you're looking for, whether you have 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, or even 10 million or above. And whether it's enough for you to retire at 60 or not, and how much you can afford to spend, right? Or how much you desire to spend. And you can also use this tool to simulate early retirement or even later retirement, not only limited at age 60. And this is how flexible this AI retirement calculator or tool is. So you can use to test different retirement scenarios. So with the one ultimate goal, you do not want to run out of money before running out of life, and to front load your quality retirement lifestyle at the start of your retirement rather than at the later stage of your retirement.